Hi, everyone. This is the weather hazard briefing for Saturday, February 25th from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho. We've got fairly mild weather today, but still a couple of isolated snow showers out there. We're going to talk about where exactly, but most of us will stay dry throughout the day today and even see a little bit more sunshine at times. So, again, those isolated snow showers, most of us are going to stay dry. The best chance to see some light snow is going to stay in northeastern Idaho, mainly up near the Island Park area, Henry's Lake, a little bit into the Driggs area. Again, won't really accumulate to a whole lot. Otherwise, we've got fairly quiet weather through the rest of our Saturday. Now, we should enjoy it while it lasts because it won't last long. We do have some more moisture headed our way, first round of which will arrive Sunday into Monday. Temperatures will be a bit warmer though, so a rain-snow mix is certainly possible, looking a bit more likely in parts of the Magic Valley and Snake Plain. Wave 2 of that moisture that arrives in the second half of Monday continues through Tuesday, but we still could see some light snow showers even into Wednesday. And that's not the end of the active pattern, but that's about all we're going to focus on for this briefing at least. Here's a look at satellite this morning. You can see most of eastern Idaho is actually pretty clear. We do have a few lower clouds out there, mainly, again, in the northeastern part of Idaho here. Otherwise, again, we'll see some sunshine today, which will be nice, and that'll help us warm up quite a bit too, at least compared to where we've been over the past few days. This morning out there, keep in mind too, it is cold, but not quite as cold. A few wind chills up north, closer to about -10 this morning, but many of us staying on the positive side of 0. Now, our watches and warnings, this map is actually pretty quiet. In fact, we don't have anything out for all of Idaho right now. I do expect that to change, though, as we get closer to this next system arriving as we go Sunday into Monday. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the weather risk outlook grid for the next few days. Again, today, a little bit of light snow, mainly for the eastern highlands, northeastern Idaho area. Sunday, we start to introduce some more light rain and snow to most of the area. More so light snow, of course, at the higher elevations where temperatures will be cooler. Southeastern and eastern highlands will likely see a little bit more snow with this, so could expect some minor impacts. And the other thing to watch out for is going to be some of those breezy and gusty winds. Of course, a little bit of snow and some wind can make travel difficult at times, so that'll be something to keep in mind, especially if you are going anywhere, especially late Sunday into early Monday. Those winds are really going to pick up Sunday night into Monday morning. We'll see that snow continue overnight Sunday into Monday, so keep that in mind too for that Monday morning commute. Now keep in mind, still a couple days out from some of the exact details, so keep checking back to each of these morning briefings for the latest information. We get into Tuesday, we're still going to be seeing some of that snow and some breezy winds. I think we will see a little bit of a break for most of us, probably around midday Monday. Again, that's kind of the distinction of wave 1 to wave 2 of that moisture coming through, but not very long of a break there either. And then as we go into Wednesday, things will start to kind of wind down a little bit at least. Another short break. We do still see some on and off snow chances through the second half of the week too, but right now, we're mainly going to be focusing on those first 2 waves, especially that Sunday night into Monday one, as that is the one that is coming up soonest. So today, our temperatures can be able to warm up quite a bit, especially where we see some more of that sunshine. A lot of us can be back into the 30s, even some low 40s, which will feel quite nice. To get back above freezing, we'll do some melting. Keep in mind, though, when we are doing some of this melting and refreezing overnight, could make for some slick spots on those side streets or any of those sidewalks or parking lots that, those usual problem areas. Well, wind gusts won't be too much of an issue as we go throughout the day today, which is nice, but that will change as we start to go through the weekend. Now, Sunday morning, again, still not too bad. We're going to start to see some gusts up north in parts of the central mountains up to about 15, 20 miles per hour. We'll see some of those through the southern hills too and into the highlands. Again, gusts about 15 to 20 miles per hour, but then Sunday afternoon they do start to pick up a bit more. Gusts for most of us anywhere from 15, 20, 25 miles per hour, even up to about 30 miles per hour in some spots. But again, we've got that moisture that's going to be coming in on Sunday. Now, this model is, I don't think, doing a great job of handling that warmer air going to be here, so it's showing a bit more snow than I think we'll see, at least here on reflectivity. So where we see a lot of snow, that will probably be more rain for some of us, especially through parts of the Magic Valley and into the Snake Plain. So keep that in mind. This is a little bit deceptive in that it looks like we're going to see snow all day Sunday. Don't think that will be the case with those temperatures. You can see here ranging from mid 30s near Idaho Falls and Blackfoot to upper 30s in American Falls and Pocatello to some low 40s through a good portion of the Magic Valley. Again, some of this will be falling Sunday night into Monday where temperatures will be cooler, so I think that's where we're going to pick up more of the snow versus rain in this case. As far as potential snow, I think a lot of us at the lower elevations, about up to an inch, maybe 1 to 2 in a few spots. It's going to be the higher elevations, of course, that see more snow up near Island Park. Looking at potentially 3 to 4. The Bear River Range will likely see plenty of snow with the couple of rounds that we've got coming through. And up near the Sawtooths, see a little bit more snow there too. Now keep in mind, some of this snow does continue into early Monday morning. Again, for most of us, just some light accumulation there. But could see about another inch or so. Those winds, though, are going to be gusting as we go through Sunday night into Monday morning. So again, let's get some snow going, you get those winds cranking. That does make travel difficult, if not dangerous at times. So that's something to keep in mind, and we'll be watching that. We could see some gusts up to about 35, 40 miles per hour even. They will start to back off a little bit as Monday goes on, but again, most of us still seeing gusts anywhere from 20, 25 up to about 30 miles per hour. Temperatures on Monday will be a couple of degrees cooler, so I think we see a bit more snow, and then that sets the stage for cooler temperatures heading into Monday night and Tuesday, again, where we're going to see another wave of moisture coming through. You can see a lot of us up north in the 20s, some low to mid 30s to the Snake Plain, Magic Valley more so into the upper 30s for afternoon highs there. Tuesday, again, temperatures drop another couple degrees with most of us there right around or below freezing on Tuesday. So we do still have a few isolated snow showers around today, mainly through northeastern Idaho. Not expecting a whole lot as far as any accumulation goes. Mainly quiet weather for the rest of us. And then those couple rounds of rain-snow mix coming through Sunday into Monday. And then that next round, late Monday through Tuesday into early Wednesday. So make sure you stay up to date on the latest weather information. You can always find us on social media, too, to get that information, or go ahead and send us an email, give us a phone call. And as always, we appreciate your reports when we do start to get some more snow. Those are always great to send through social media, too. Otherwise, have a great day and have a great weekend.